Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate and track time in ClickUp. Whether you're managing multiple tasks, trying to improve your productivity, or just want a clear picture of how long projects take, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your ClickUp account and go to the task you want to track. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Track Time. Click on it, and you'll see a timer appear. You can click Start Timer to begin tracking the time you spend on this task, and once you're done, click Stop Timer. All the time spent will now be recorded and easily viewable in your task. Next, if you want to calculate time more precisely or track additional time-related information, click on the menu bar and select Custom Fields. You'll see the option to either add an existing field or create a new field. Using the drop-down, you can select text, number, or other formats to tailor fields specifically for your project. This helps you calculate estimated time versus actual time, track progress, and even generate detailed time reports. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your tasks have due dates set, and decide whether you want to track time manually or automatically. Doing this beforehand ensures your time tracking stays accurate and avoids confusion later. Once you've completed these steps, review your time reports to see how long tasks took and compare them to your estimates. After that, you should be able to track and calculate time in ClickUp efficiently without missing any details. It's also a good idea to regularly update your custom fields to match evolving project needs. This keeps your data organized and actionable. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to calculate and track time in ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be managing projects. Why not make someone's day easier?